In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own avatar in Heygen. Whether you're looking to make a digital twin or a photo avatar, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to get started. First, you want to open your browser and head over to heygen.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create it. It's straightforward and shouldn't take too long. Logging in is your first step on this creative journey where your ideas come to life. Now, you're logged in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the avatar section, located conveniently on the webpage, and click on My Avatar. This is where the magic begins and where you'll see the options that Heygen offers for creating your personal avatar. When it comes to choosing your avatar type, you have some flexibility. You can opt for a video avatar, also known as a digital twin, giving you a lifelike representation of yourself. Alternatively, if you prefer something simpler, a talking photo or photo avatar is a wonderful option. Both choices allow for a customized avatar experience, so think about what suits your needs best. With your choice made, you'll now proceed to upload a video. If you have a pre-recorded video ready, click Upload Video. But if you'd rather make a fresh recording, simply hit Record Video. Ensure you have good lighting and a clear background to enhance quality. These small details can make a big difference. Now that your video is ready, follow the prompts provided by the website. These are straightforward and designed to guide you smoothly through the process. When you've completed all necessary steps, click the Submit or Create Avatar button. This confirms you're happy with your selections and want to move forward with your avatar creation. You will then need to wait for processing. This part of the process requires a bit of patience, as the system works its magic to bring your avatar to life. The time may vary depending on your video's length and complexity, so just sit back and relax while Heygen does its thing. Finally, once the processing finishes, your new avatar is ready. It's now available to use in generating AI videos, an exciting opportunity to explore a new dimension of creativity. You have all the power to create engaging content, so go ahead and start experimenting with your newly created avatar. And there you have it, a simple and clear pathway to creating your own avatar using Heygen. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Enjoy bringing your digital self to life, and happy creating!